Hi there. So this is a quick video just to show you how you can create groups and which one you might want to use. So firstly, you click on where your face is, well, that's the participants panel. Then you'll notice here there is an option for create group board. You can click on here. Then you have two different options. You can pre-create groups, okay, which means that before the students join, you can have groups set up. So maybe you have 5 different groups. You can call them whatever, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what will happen is if I press pre-create groups, when the students join, okay, using the link or however it is, they will be prompted to choose one of these groups. They have a drop-down arrow and they have to select, okay, group 5, group 3, group 1, okay? So that is one option, okay? That is before the students join, you pre-create the groups and they have to select them. Auto-created groups, this is when the students have already joined the board, okay? And you're specifying how many students you want in a group. So maybe you just want 3 students per group, and maybe you have 21 kids and you go auto-create groups, it's going to create 7 groups for you, and it will distribute the students as randomly, okay, as Whiteboard.Chat wants. Okay, you can move them later, but that's another option. Okay, so those are the 2 different options: either creating them before the students join, and students will have to select their group, or auto creating the groups once they've all joined. Okay, if you want to split them into a certain amount and it's random, you can do that. Okay, selected groups is for if you want to move kids around later. All right, that's what that option's for. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. The 2 different options there for creating groups. Bye for now.